If water won't stick, most other stuff won't either. Competitor soap, keep the test neutral. See how it's fighting it, repelling the soap. It shows you how durable it is. The bugs pop off. They don't stay. See that? See how they come off? See this one? They just come right off. So you can dry wipe them off. Naturally, you would want to spray this. You would want to just spray this and clean these off. You just wipe them off. If there's any little pesky ones, you can just work on those a little more. Oh, that's like a rock chip, actually.